Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Leah, the owner of LuxaPolish, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do a matrix fill. If you want to see how to do a matrix full set, click the link below. If you are new to our page or new to our products, Luxa Matrix is an amazing hybrid of gel and acrylic. You get the best of both worlds, but there is no heat spike, no odor, you have unlimited playtime, and the best part of all is you do not need to purchase a separate monomer or a special solution to shape or move Luxa Matrix. We recommend 90% isopropyl alcohol, and that's it. And we have that on hand as nail techs, right guys? So we're gonna jump into this matrix fill. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below, who's tried it, who loves it, who saves time. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna prep her nail. I already removed her old gel polish, so now I'm just pushing her cuticles back and making sure to get off any dead skin, any yuckies that are on her actual nail, to make sure we have really good adhesion so we don't get any lifting. So now I'm just going to etch her natural nail a little bit and make sure there really is nothing left over that I could have missed with my cuticle pusher. Now I'm going to cleanse her nail with 99% isopropyl alcohol and touch her natural nail with just Luxa Prime. Let it dry for a few seconds and go in with Luxa Base over her natural nail and the old matrix. So the whole entire thing, and then you're gonna cure for 30 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. I'm gonna use the color Neutral today for her fill. Place the ball on her nail, dip my brush into the isopropyl alcohol, and I'm gonna press in the middle and distribute the product where I need it to go. And you can see that the alcohol is not flooding the cuticle area, it's not going all over the place. You just wanna make sure you have enough alcohol on your brush to just move it, not flood your nail. So now I'm towards the free edge and I'm gonna just pat and pull, pat and pull. It's not just a pull, pull, pull motion. And now I'm going to go into her cuticle area and very light taps, angling my brush down to melt the matrix into the cuticle so you have very minimal filing. And once you're happy, you're going to go ahead and put that in the lamp and cure for 30 seconds LED and 2 minutes UV. After you're done curing, you're going to wipe the tacky layer off with isopropyl alcohol and go into finish filing. And remember, when you're doing Luxa Matrix, it is not a one nail at a time service. You are doing all 5 nails on one hand, and then while that's finished curing, then you do all 5 nails on the other hand. So you are saving a ton of time because there's not going to be all this flash curing in between, and you really have time to perfect the shape so your filing is very minimal. So once you're done filing and buffing the nail, you're going to cleanse, and you can go straight into Luxa Gel Color or Luxa Shine if you want to keep a natural look. And I'm going to show you guys a close-up of the cuticle so you can see how flush it looks to the natural nail, so they are not bulky at all. So let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching and hope you found this helpful, and we will see you in the next video.